is frustrating when you cannot launch your favorite application and programs on Windows due to this error. So to fix it, here's what you can do. First, you must reinstall the Visual C package on your computer. To do so, open Event Viewer, navigate to Custom Views, open Summary Page Events, choose the most recent side-by-side error from the middle pane, note down the version number under the General tab. Now open your web browser, head over to the Microsoft Visual C or distributable download page, then download and install the Visual C package corresponding to your version number, then restart your PC and launch your application again. Next, run the SFC and then the DISM scan. To do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights. In the console, type in the following command, press Enter, wait for the scan to be completed, then run the DISM scan by entering the following command, and then press Enter again. Now after the process is completed, exit the Command Prompt window and then restart your PC. Lastly, you can run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter on Windows. Do that by right-clicking your application or program that's producing the error, select Troubleshoot Compatibility. In the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter window, select Troubleshoot Program, mark the checkbox that reads the program worked in the earlier versions of Windows but won't install or run now, then select Next. Now you have to follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter and see if the error occurs again. And that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.